So this is going to be part 3 of the house body. um, so let's put in some walls. So let's start with a sketch on the top plane. I'm going to go normal onto the top plane. So we'll do a sketch. Now, let's draw a line from here. And let's draw a line to here. Alright. Now this wall is let's see. Inside. This wall is going to be 16 feet. I'm trying to think because I'm going to extrude all these using a thin feature. They're going to be 4.5 inches thick. So I'm trying to discern here where my width is going to be. So this is going to be the inside dimension. So we're going to extrude these this way, and then we'll extrude the walls that come off these lines into the hallway here. So this is going to be 16 foot 11.5 inches. Oh, no. 16 foot. There we go. And this wall is going to be 15 foot from here to here. 15 foot and a half inches. 15 foot, 0.5 inches. Alright. Now this distance here should be, yeah, it's supposed to be 3 foot 6 inches. So when we extrude the 4.5 inches when we do the other wall, that'll take up that space, so that's fine. So we're going to make those two lines, and all these walls, you want to extrude them the same way. So I'm going to make this point and this point, and make those horizontal. And the distance from this wall to this wall is 15 feet 7.5 inches. Now, since we haven't extruded this yet, we have to add the 4.5 inches in. So we'll say 15 foot 7.5 inches, and then a little plus 4.5 inches. So when we extrude the wall, it's going to go this way. And then we'll make one more line down here. And this line's actually going to be yeah, that'll work. We'll make these points horizontal. This probably doesn't make a lot of sense right now, but once we extrude a couple walls, you'll see the method here. So from here to here is going to be 10 foot. We have to add in the 4.5 inches for when we extrude the wall, so our dimensions will be right. All right, so let's extrude this while we got this right here. So they all go the same way, and they're not. Half are going one way and half are going the other way. So let's see if we can do selected contours here. Let's just choose this one and this one. Nope. Alright, I'll choose these two, and these are going the wrong way, so we're going to flip the direction. Alright, I already got them going let's see, it's going to be 4.5 inches. They're already, no, maybe not. These are going to be 8 foot and 10 1/4 inches tall. Or you can extrude them up to the surface and use the top of the wall. However, so we got those two walls. I'm going to green check that. Now, let's go back normal on this again. Okay, so now I'm going to use that same sketch. I'm just going to click on the sketch. Then we'll click Extrude Boss Base. Same thing. We'll choose Select Contours. It's going to have the whole sketch in there. So we're going to clear selections. And then we're going to choose this line and this line. Those are going the right way. They're already going 8 foot, 10 1/4 inches tall and 4.5 inches thick, which is what we want. Green check. Alright. Now let's put in some, let's see, there's 2 more walls. So we'll do a sketch on the top plane again. We'll use line. And this is going to go from here to this wall here. It doesn't matter which one of these points you attach it to. Alright, and the total length of this, let's see, well, let's do this. From here to here's 8 foot. The overall length was, so whatever it is, it's 21 foot 3 inches plus the 8 feet. And yeah, that'll work. Yes. No, we don't need that. What do we need to do? What is this line? Oh, okay. So make that. This is the inside dimension, so we're gonna extrude it out. Remember, this dimension in the end should be, from here to here should be 3 foot 3 inches. So we'll just choose that line and this line. We'll make those collinear. That should fully define that. Now we need to make another line. This one goes from here all the way to the back. And this line is also going to go down into the hallway here. So that line's fully defined. Okay. So I'm going to go to Features, Extruded Boss Base. Once again, select Contours. We'll choose this line here. It's going the wrong way. So we'll reverse thin direction. Now it's going out. That's right. That's what we want. Okay. So now we'll choose that same sketch again. Extrude Boss Base. Select Contours. It's going to have sketch 5 in there. We'll just clear that out. We'll choose this line. That's going the right way, right height, right width. Alright, let's use our tape measure. Now that we've got these walls in, let's use our tape measure to measure some selections. So if you go to your evaluation tab up here, if you don't have an evaluation tab, you can right click in any of these boxes here. Find evaluate and just click on it. Now we'll have an evaluate tab. This will have your tape measure in there. I already have mine up at the top. I moved my evaluate tab up here so I would have it. That's where you find the tape measure if you don't have one. So let's make sure this is 3 feet and 3 inches. 3 foot 6 inches. No, yeah, 3 foot 6 inches. I'm sorry. So that's correct. And let's see, this inside dimension is supposed to be 10 foot, which it is 10 foot, okay, by 16. Well, where are you going? Where are you going, house? Get back here. This is supposed to be 16 feet 11 inches. It is, okay, so I think we did this right. This is going to be another wall here. Let's see, so we'll go normal on the top plate again. Alright, top plane. Let me hide some of this stuff in my trees. It's getting kind of messy. Let's put in a couple more walls and then we'll call it good for this video. So top plane, we'll do a sketch here and a line. This line here. Start it from here. Goes to there. This is the inside wall, so we have to extrude it this way. No. I don't want to close the sketch because I want to just use this line, so no. Alright, so now it's going the right way. 8 foot 10 1/4 inches, 4 1/4 inches thick. Which is what we have. Excellent. Now the inside of this should be 8 foot. And it is. Why do we have a line here? That's kind of weird. I don't like that. Let's fix that. Let's take this line. Let's move this line down. Let's make it equal with that. I don't like how that line was there. Huh, it's overlapping. It shouldn't be overlapping. It should be flush. Why is that? Look at that far. That one's flush. Why is that one flush? Okay. I'll work on that, or you can work on it. This should be flush and sticking out a little bit. I don't know why. This video's running long, so let's draw this other wall, and then I'll work on it, and I'll try to present the fix in the next video. Alright, so do one more sketch on the top plane. Draw a line here. And this is going to be 12 foot 4 1/2 inches. And this is going to be the outside dimension. This is going to be 14 foot 7 1/2 inches. And we're going to extrude this up, just like that. Alright, green check. Top plane sketch. And that that was the outer dimension. So this one we're going to extrude this back into the sketch. No. We need this to go the other way, so in thin feature we'll move this line so it goes inside. Alright, so there's our, that's a good number of walls there. We'll come back in the next video. We'll put in the wall around the staircase. There's a little closet in here and over here. We'll put those in, and then at the end we'll cut out all the doors that go in here. Alright, so there's our part 3, and stick around for part 4.